Ah. Hello guys, welcome to another life update. Day 199. We've been vlogging for the past 11 days straight na. And today's is Sunday, so kaya nagsimba muna tayo. After natin magsimba ay pumunta tayo dito sa Sunkist Cafe. Nag-order tayo ng sweet and sour fish. Napakasarap. After natin kumain ay pupunta tayo dito sa Tesla to check out some cars. I'm planning to get a car baka this year or next year. So ngayon pa lang nasa scout na ako ng magandang sasakyan and napadpad ako dito sa Tesla. Apakaganda guys. I think this is the only branch ng Tesla sa whole Philippines and I'm lucky that I get to experience as well the car. And thank you kay Kyle. Actually, literally, he's also a swimmer. Kay Coach Jenny, he's a UP swimmer and I'm just lucky that siya yung naging salesman namin for today. And nagulat ako guys, it drives on itself, it parks on itself. I can just eat anything or magbasa-basa or do anything else while driving, and I think I would really recommend this car for anyone who wants it and can afford this as well. So I'm just impressed the whole time guys. I was like in awe. Kaya congrats kay Kyle kasi this car is just amazing, you know. I thought this just makikita ko lang sa Amerika, but I'm just in awe to see this in the Philippines, and it's possible pala. And then may chance tayong makakuha ng Tesla soon. It's a dream car talaga. Napakaganda. Sabi nga ni Kyle na afford ko nga bro, ikaw pa kaya. So he's true. Well, one day sabi ko, baka this year. Sabi ko nga. But I'm really looking forward to have a Tesla one day. So, and one of the key factors na nagustuhan ko sa Tesla is yung self-driving. Kagaya nito. So this is Kyle's car. It's called Model 3. And I'm amazed how the car comes in and walang driver sa loob. And it's really smooth, and the experience that I had, it's so comfortable. And then it has kompleto na siya ng mga cameras all around. Para inside, parang wala kang makikitang cameras and outside, but it's literally everywhere. The cameras are everywhere. After ng test drive is pumunta kami dito sa likod ng garage and we checked out also some units that are also available here sa Tesla. After ng Tesla experience ay pumunta na ako dito sa 24 Chicken. I ate my favorite boneless chicken and it's really good, very tasty as usual. It's only for like 200 something, and then sobrang daming chicken na nakain ko. Sobrang busog and sobrang sulit. Kita nyo naman guys kung gaano kadami yan and sobrang sarap. Yes sir. I really highly recommend the 24 Chicken. It's really good guys. And after natin kumain naman, and nag-practice ako ng hosting for the Frontline News Sports. Today was really a good day. We were able to go to church, dumaan tayo sa Tesla, we had fun, and nakapag-meeting tayo for Bacoor, and we practiced our skills. Hopefully guys, you've enjoyed this vlog, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. And don't forget to like, share, and follow our official Facebook page, YouTube, and TikTok.